Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Got a package today. I ordered some stuff from the internet, from the Scandinavian Airlines shop. Just I know what it is, but I wanted to make a video just to let me unbox it. Gonna remove the tape. The tape was relatively easy to remove, or so I thought. Sorry for the okay, I should have prepared for this. Sorry. There we go. That's a terrible unboxing. Sorry about this. Gonna move it around. Flip it up. Shaky cam for the win. God damn it. Here we go. Few hours later. That's the thing that I got a package. It's some Ray-Ban glasses, and it was bigger than I expected. It's a first aid kit, a big one, and some Ray-Ban glasses. Bubble wrapped. Just gonna show you the first aid kit while I'm opening up the glasses. Gotta keep it down with my elbow. So, gonna put the wrap in there. If you see any skin, it's because I don't have pants on, but that's how I roll. It comes with a awesome case. Some green Ray-Bans. Looks awesome. I think we have some cleaning kits for it as well. Yes, we do, which is nice. It has a nice leather case to it. So, what did you think of the terrible unboxing? Comment below what you think, like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.